These 5 creepy places were all captured on Google Earth, and number 1 is seriously disturbing.
Open Google Earth and search on the coordinates given in the description below. I found a mysterious object
In the desert of New Mexico, this disc-shaped object appears out of nowhere. Is it a UFO hiding in plain sight?
This looks like an alien face found in Antarctica on Google Earth.
Its eyes, nose, and mouth seem carved in the ice. I think it's just a trick of nature. Aliens don't exist.
Oh, what's happening?
What did you say? I don't exist?
No, it's a joke.
A perfectly round, El Ojo-named island that rotates in place. It is in Argentina. People call it the Eye. Locals say it's cursed. Scientists still can't explain it.
What do you think about this?
Found in the Nevada desert near the Area 51. A giant star symbol carved into the land. What is it? Alien landing pad? Military testing? You decide.
Deep in the canals of Xochimilco, Mexico, lies a haunting island unlike any other, known as the Island of the Dolls. It's covered in hundreds of decaying dolls hanging from trees. Legend says a girl drowned here, and the island's caretaker began hanging dolls to appease her spirit. Now, even through Street View, the island feels haunted. Locals say the dolls whisper. Their eyes follow you. Is it a tribute or something more sinister? Oh my gosh, what's happening?
Take all of you!